Well, I think it seems wonderful. We've just started, so I was the first speaker. But I love the organization. I love sort of the creation of awe and wonder through the scale. The people are incredibly lovely. I feel very much looked after. And also, I think the importance of thinking about branding and marketing and opportunities of doing that differently than the way it's typically done. The effect of neuroscience to the creative world. What's the effect? I think there has tremendous possibility for the creative world because, at least from my perspective, I think there's nothing creative about creativity. Right? I think creativity is, your brain only ever makes small steps, right? And it only makes a step to the next most likely possible. But what you can do is change what's possible by changing your biases, which means creativity is accessible to everyone. It's very logical, right? The challenge with creativity is to ask questions and to find a good question. And good questions are hard to find.